Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to record space on X, formerly Twitter. So to record you have just to go and open X. Of course you can only record your own spaces. And after that click on your picture on the top left of the screen. After that go and click on spaces. And after that click on the icon on the bottom right of the screen. After that type the name of your space, add the topics, and here as you can see there is an option called record space. So if you record your space, people can listen to the recording at any time. You can share your recording and anyone can listen to it as long as it's published online. If you want to record, just click on got it, and you can choose if you want to enable videos or not. And after that you can start your space now, or you can just schedule your space in the future. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.